All right, so to install your MPC expansion, it's going to be super easy. So ChordKits comes pre-configured as an XPN file. This will allow you to drag and drop it into the MPC program. I've already done this, but essentially you'll just be dragging and dropping it, and then you'll see that it gives you this option with a graphic here, and then you'll hit OK. This will then import the files, and then you can go to your library, which is down here on the bottom, or you can press X to access the library. It allows you to open and close the library. So when you open the library, you'll see ChordKits for Ocean MPC, or whichever version of the ChordKits you have. You will then click on this one time, scroll down underneath the graphic, and you'll see the programs toggle here. Click that to open it up, and then you'll see all the presets here. So in order to load the presets, I can grab one of them and then drag them onto the pads here on the application, and then it loads them in. I can trigger this with a mouse. I can also program them in if I wanted to with the drawing tool, or trigger it with the actual MPC hardware. If you'd like this expansion to work in your MPC standalone device, meaning that you're just using the MPC without the computer, then after you install it in the application, you're going to go to File, Export, Expansion. Here's where you're going to select your drive. So I can select an area here. I'll just select my samples drive, and then we'll select ChordKits. Just check the box next to it. We're going to take the Ocean expansion, and then I'll hit Export. After the export is complete, it will save to the location that you specified in an expansions folder. So you can see here I've got my samples drive, then an expansion folder, and then it's got the ChordKits, in this case the Ocean MPC expansion. So if I open this up, it's changed the format so that way my standalone device can read this. Now at this point, all I have to do is put this on a thumb drive or put this on an SD card and then move it over and load it into my Akai standalone device. Now I'd like to show you how to use ChordKits with the MPC, how the workflow and the playability works. So the first thing, because I have a standalone device, I have to put it in controller mode. So in order to put it in controller mode, I'm going to tap on Menu, and then right up here, there's an MPC icon. I'll tap on that and then select controller mode. Now this only works if you have the cable that's included with your MPC device plugged into your computer and the app already on. All right, now it's in controller mode, and if I tap on the pads, I'm controlling the sounds from the app. Now, the way ChordKits works is on the bottom row here, you've got your bass sounds. Then you've got your chords. A higher pitch sound playing, supporting the chord. And then a high pitch sound. Sometimes it's a lead sound or a one shot. And as you see, the color coordination indicates that all of the same colored pads will work together. Just the tip, I also like to use the full level switch. That way everything plays at a consistent velocity. Double tap stop to stop the playback at any time. And you can play from left to right or however you wish. So you just kind of come up with your own progressions based off what sounds good. If I want to change the pitch, I can go to the program group. That's where I'll change the pitch for the entire thing. So I'll go to Menu, hit the Menu button, then you go to Program Edit, and then there's a global tempo. There's a semi option right there. I just tapped on it so that way I can control it with the big knob. If This gives you a different vibe, and you can dial in the key that you're looking for.